Okay guys, this is my PayPal account and here you can see I made 1800 euros this month, and most of this actually came from affiliate marketing. And don't get confused with this, because I live in Europe, PayPal automatically convert all the currencies into euros. And today I'm going to show you how to do this. We will be actually making simple under 5 minutes long videos without showing our face that we are going to use to promote our affiliate products. And also I'm going to show you 2 softwares that you are going to need, and I'm going to show you how to make these videos and also how to find products to promote. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, this is the channel that inspired me. Here you can see this guy, Chris, he has 84,000 subscribers. And when you actually scroll through his videos, you will see that most of his videos are simple, under 10 minutes long tutorials, and that is exactly what you need to do. And he never shows his face, so we don't know how he actually looks like. And like I said, that is exactly what you need to do. You need to make short, simple tutorials. It probably happened that you had some problem and you went on YouTube, tried to find the solution for that problem, and you actually came up on one of these channels like this, where people actually don't show their face, but they do show you solution, and you need to make videos like that. Now, to find inspiration for your own channel, for your own videos, what you can do is you can simply here in search bar type something like how to, and here you can see how to dance, how to tie a tie, how to draw, how to kiss, and so on and so on. And when you make videos for all of these, you can simply then add how to apply eyeliner, how to ADHD, and so on and so on. After that, you can go on how to be, how to basic, how to beat, how to beast, and so on and so on. And then go how to C, how to D, how to E, and so on and so on. And when you find one of these search terms, what you need to do, you can simply, let's just say I wish to make a video on how to delete Instagram account. I actually need to copy this, and then you can go on vidIQ and you can register for a free account on vidIQ, and then you need to click here on keywords, and then here you simply need to paste that and then press enter, and vidIQ will give you SEO difficulty and search volume. Here you can see competition is 62, which means it is high. It is really hard to rank on first 10 results on YouTube for this keyword. 500,000 people search this every month on YouTube. So, but here you can see related keywords. So when I click here on how to delete Instagram account 2022, here I will see competition is only 35, which means it is low, and I can actually rank in first 10 results on YouTube for this keyword, and 15,000 people is searching this every month, which is a good search volume, and I can get a decent traffic for my video, decent number of views for my video. And like I said, you need to make a simple short tutorials on different kind of topics. For example, how to remove image background in Photoshop. That is under 5 minutes long tutorial, simple tutorial that you can make. And because I'm making all of these videos for YouTube, that means that I need to do lots of research, and that means that I actually need to use VPN, virtual private network, to hide my IP address. So what you can do is you can actually go on Google, so just go on Google, and here you can simply type best VPN, okay, and click search. And here you can see people actually made a list of best VPN networks, and what you need to do, you can simply open one of these, and then you need to visit these VPNs and see which of these actually have affiliate program, and you should join to that affiliate program. Now, I personally use Bitdefender VPN, and they actually have affiliate program. And when I click here on join our affiliate program, you will see that they have 20% affiliate commission. Now, their yearly payment for VPN is $50, which means I can make $10 for every sale that I make. And many of these VPNs actually have a free option, and what you need to do, you actually need to join their affiliate program, you need to install that VPN on your computer, and you need to show people how to use that VPN. And when we go on YouTube, and here in search bar, when I type something like how to use VPN, here you can see suggested search terms, what people are actually searching on YouTube. How to use VPN on iPhone, how to use VPN for Netflix, on Android, on PC for free, and so on and so on. And you need to make video tutorials for all of these search terms. And when we go on vidIQ, and here in search bar, when we type how to use VPN, press enter, here you will see 38,000 people search that every month on YouTube. Competition is high. And again, when I click here on how to use VPN on iPhone, here you will see 2,500 people search this, but competition is low. So like I said, you need to make video tutorials for all of these search terms here. As you saw, the competition for these keywords here is not that big, and you can rank in top 10 results on YouTube for all of these keywords. And now you actually need to make screen record. You need to make a video tutorial showing people how to do that. And for that you need screen recorder. And by far best in my opinion is OBS Studio. OBS Studio is 100% free. Actually, I'm currently using OBS Studio and this is how it looks. This is OBS Studio. And you can actually find lots of tutorials on YouTube showing you how to use OBS Studio. Now, after you make a screen recorder, after you make a video, you need to edit that video. And by far, in my opinion, best is DaVinci Resolve 18. This actually software have paid version and free version, and their free version is by far best free video editor out there that you can find. So you should use DaVinci Resolve 18, and there is plenty and plenty of video tutorials on YouTube, and there is also plenty of free add-ons, effects and all kind of stuffs for DaVinci that you can use. You will need about 2 or 3 days to learn how to use DaVinci. It is that simple. And you will actually need to make 2 versions of your video. One regular version and one shorts version to reach more people, to get more views, to get more subscribers, and potentially to get more sales on your affiliate program. Now, after you make your video, after you finish editing your video, next thing you need to do, you need to upload that video on YouTube. So what you actually need to do, you need to go on vidIQ and you need to click here on dashboard. And here you can actually get title ideas. So what I can do, I can simply type here how to use VPN and then press enter. And vidIQ will suggest me some titles that contain my main keyword. How to set up a VPN and use it. For example, how to use a VPN. How to use VPN in 5 easy steps. Now, here you can see these are all catchy titles that I can use. For example, let's just say I wish to use this one here. So I can simply Ctrl C to copy this and go back on YouTube and I will paste that here. Now, if you wish to upload shorts, here you need to add a hashtag shorts in the title. Here in the description, I would suggest to open description with your title, or you can make a simple variation of your title. Now, second thing, right after your title, in the description, you need to add your affiliate link. Now, that is really, really important. Next thing you need to do, you need to add a thumbnail. Thumbnails are really, really important. What you can do is you can simply go on YouTube and then here you can type how to use VPN and then press search. And here you can see what kind of thumbnails your competitors are actually using. And you can find lots and lots of Photoshop or GIMP tutorials showing you how to make thumbnails like this. And you can even make better thumbnails and you can use those thumbnails and you can get views. Here you need to select playlist if you have a playlist. And you need to click here on show more and you need to add tags. And those tags in this case would be how to set up a VPN, how to use VPN, how to use VPN on iPhone and so on and so on. And then just click here on next, next, next and publish that video on your YouTube channel. Now, chances are that your first video won't get that many views. You need to upload at least 20 or 30 videos in order to start getting traction. But after that, you will start getting more and more views. So you need to be consistent and you need to continue uploading videos. None of these guys actually start getting views after uploading just one video. So you need to continue uploading videos at least for a few months, almost every day. 3 or 4 videos every week. And like I said, you will start getting views. And best thing is, because these videos are your own, you have all the rights on these videos. After you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can actually get in YouTube partnership program. And you can double your money. You can make money from YouTube partnership program and you can also make money from affiliate products that you are promoting in your video. And like I said, you will double your earnings. So this is how you make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2022 by making simple videos. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.